Well, like I said, we might be trading for a F80 M3. The F80 M3 is 4 hours away. This is the night before, so I already have the truck, the trailer, everything packed up. I'm about to hit the road tomorrow morning, but right now I'm driving to get some other parts for it. So yeah, I'll show you some pictures. This is just gonna be like a little vlog thing, picking up the F80, maybe doing a burnout, rolling burnout. Let's pick it up and we'll see. We'll go from there. It is one of my buddies. I want to give a big shout out to Zach Patrick. I'll probably put his Instagram right here. But if this video gets 1,000 likes, the car is already full bolt-ons on flex fuel running E85. But if this video gets 1,000 likes, I will buy a big single turbo kit for those. And you guys know F80s with big single turbos is insane. Although here's a little video of it. That being said, stay tuned. First gas station. The car is doing great. We out here.
That monster truck, dude.
I know, right? One thing, this is like day 3 of me owning the car. This is like Tuesday and I picked up the car Saturday. Didn't even drive it, but one thing I hate about this car, fitment. Front end is very just monster truck to me, and I don't really like it. Other than that, the car drives really good. I'm gonna give you guys some rides. Didn't say anything in my old video, just picked it up. So I traded my Blue E92 335 for 2016 F80. Not comp, sadly, but has some good stuff. It's full bolt-ons, crank hub done. I would hope so. It has intercooler, charge pipes, front mount intakes. Pretty cool car. It's carbon CS style carbon trunk, red interior. Like I said, it's not calm sadly, but what's happening? Sadly it's not calm, but it is LCI. It came with these wheels, 4-star wheels. I might trade them for TEs. I don't know yet. Right now we just want to put them on lowering springs on it real quick. It's a really fat. Here I'm gonna do a fat edit on it.
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
These are the stock ones, and here is the new ones. Here's the front one, side to side. Oh yeah, it's about like a 1.6 drop or 1.8 drop. So yeah. Make sure today don't see that.
Sheesh! Aşağıdan anladın.
Yo, there's always springs here too. one. They already saw. They saw us install the lowering springs yesterday. Today we're gonna go back to the shop. We might work some. I want to do the brakes on it. I'm big on maintenance. I want to do the maintenance. So brakes, brake pads all around, brake sensors.
We're doing crank hub today. We're doing
crank hub's already done. And I want to maybe look into getting different wheels. Stay tuned. This is probably gonna still be attached to the first video where we picked it up still, because here's a little cold start for you guys. Let's go back to Susan Motors and get everything installed.
Alright guys, we made it to the shop. I got the slave doing my brakes. I gave him a beer, now he's doing the brakes. I'm kidding. Alright Ron, what are we doing?
Today we're changing brake pads because these are the old ones and compared to the new ones, if you guys can tell. That's not allowed.
Jack, what happened there, buddy?
Since we're doing that, we're gonna crack a cold one. We're not sponsored. I don't know. Kind of tastes like a little expired. Try it.
Smells like expired apple juice, literally. Tastes like expired apple juice.
Yeah, it tastes like something expired. I mean, I don't know to all my they be fucking this shit up. I see them on their stuff. No, zoom in on it. Oh, there's no shit. Leave it. So that being said, we're gonna do the fronts real quick.
The fronts?
I mean the rears. Shit, I'm already fucked up.
We're doing a DIY video. How to change brakes on a F80.
To change brakes on an F80 is a small pick, a hammer, a flathead, and pliers, and a 17mm to take off the wheels. That's it. That's all you need. Do not get ripped off and pay $17,000. But pay me $17,000 and I will change your brakes.
Alright guys, so it's been about 4 hours. The wheels are finally going back on.
4 hours? 10 seconds. Damn, I got working in here. Zoom in on this, Joe.
I am.
Hey, to the editor that's editing this, put a picture of someone with no chin.
He's right here. That's him. He lives in Caldwell somewhere.
Hello guys, today we're gonna do a little more maintenance on the F80 M3. Today we're gonna be doing spark plugs on it. Like I said, this car is on flex fuel, but before I put it on E85, I would want to do the spark plugs on it. I don't know when they were replaced last, and they're not the most expensive part, so. This is our first fill up on E85. We're on full E, or tried to put full E. The car is almost on, it has only 22 miles left to the gallon, so we're pretty much on E. So this is gonna be our reaction on it on E. Every car that I have that's on full E85, I take the sticker off because they can replace them and I don't know where to get them. Probably online, I can get them off of AliExpress. I take them off and I put them in my gas tank. So when somebody ever wants to fill up my car. Today we're gonna be putting more time and effort on the BRZ.